Hey folks, we've been discussing how to make sound decisions by looking at the what, why, how, and when of it. Today we turn our focus to how. Methods matter. If you do something beneficial, but go about it in a way that causes harm, it changes the value of what you've done. How we do what we do makes a huge difference. One of the challenges of the American culture is its value to win at all costs. We are a society that loves a winner and celebrates winning. As such, we are prone to cut corners and even to cheat, as long as we win in the end. For many, coming out on top is all that matters. The other day, I was approaching an exit on the highway in the far right lane with a car gaining on me quickly on my left. I thought the car was passing to going up the highway. Nothing surprised me more than when the car cut me off and took the exit. Why didn't they just drop in behind me? It's simple. They wanted to be in front. How you do what you do matters in God's economy. Impure motives, crafty intentions, dishonest communication, or malicious intent cancel out even the best actions. The how of it can undermine the what and the why. How you do what you do matters. Think on these things and make every day a God day. We'll talk again soon. God bless.